Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have server host, port, username, and password. That avoids dead ends. Next, open a lightweight GUI such as dbeaver or TablePlus, or plan to use the MySQL/PSQL CLI if you prefer terminal work. Once open, choose New Connection and enter the server, database name if known, port, and credentials. Make sure to test the connection button. It validates network auth and TLS settings so you don't proceed with bad info. Once connected, navigate the schema list in the left pane and select the database you need to inspect. Expand the tables and views folders to see object names. This tells you structure, ownership, and row estimates. When you click a table, use the preview grid or run a simple query like select asterisk from table name limit 100 to sample data. While doing this, review column types and indexes so you understand performance implications and avoid heavy queries. To finish, export what you need. Use CSV or SQL dump options to save schema or data for analysis or sharing. If you must change data, use a transaction or a read-only account for exploration and commit only after verifying results. If you hit errors, don't panic. Check that the server port is open, confirm credentials, and ensure your client uses the expected TLS or SSL mode. If queries timeout, increase timeout or run lighter queries. That resolves most access and performance issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.